So this is a practice problem for lesson 8.4, Redox Reactions. And the question is, what are the redox reactions of aluminum and barium? So, first to start off, I'm going to look at aluminum. And knowing for redox reactions, I can only add electrons. You cannot have a minus E minus here. You cannot do this. It's always just going to have to be a plus some number here. So looking at Al, I cannot add Al by itself on the periodic table. If you look at it, it's going to have a charge of +3. So I can't add electrons to this Al to make it +3 because that's going to make it a negative charge, and that's not what I want here. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to show the reaction that led up to this, which is going to be Al +3, the original charge over here, plus, because you can only have a plus here, plus 3E. And the reason I have to put it on this side as opposed to having Al minus 3E is because I cannot subtract this 3E over here, so I have to figure out what is going to give me what is going to make it so that I'm always adding this, and in this case it's going to be an oxidation reaction. And the reason it's oxidation because oil rig, oxidation is loss. Here, I had to lose these electrons to make, no, I had to lose electrons to make this Al +3 over here, otherwise it would just remain Al. And now moving on to barium. Looking at this, it has a, where is it? It has a charge of 2+, right here. So what am I going to do to it now? So unlike this one, what I'm going to do, because I need to make it plus a number of electrons, I'm going to add 2 electrons to make it a neutral barium atom. And the reason I'm going to do that is because, like I said before, I always need to be adding electrons, and the only way I can do that is I take an ion of barium and add it to make it neutral. And so this is going to be reduction, because an oil rig means reduction is gaining, so I'm gaining electrons here to form a neutral ion, whereas over here I'm going from a neutral ion to forming a positive ion.